We are learning that most Americans do not have getting vaccines on their priority list.
Yeah, that's why doctors are worried about COVID, flu, and RSV outbreaks. And if that happens, the most vulnerable people would be at risk, which would also strain our health system. A local infectious disease doctor told Courtney Friedman illnesses like RSV are already extremely high this year.
We're seeing lower numbers of people going out to get their vaccines for COVID, for influenza, and over the last couple of years we've seen that.
The CDC reports only about 37% have received a flu shot, while just 19% have had the updated COVID vaccine. That number for kids even lower. For children, 33% for the flu shot and just under 9% for COVID. These numbers climbing around 2% from last year. Dr. Jason Bowling with University Hospital says part of that is likely due to vaccine fatigue from the pandemic, but not all of it.
Some of that, I think we're getting a little too comfortable with COVID and flu, but we're still seeing people get very ill with both of these and RSV.
RSV cases already spiking this year, hitting the vulnerable hardest.
We now have vaccines available for RSV for people that are at highest risk. So people that are 75 and older, adults that are 60 and older and have medical conditions. And then also it's for protection for infants.
But those numbers are pretty low too, right?
That's right. It is. They are low. It is a new vaccine. So we want people to be aware that this vaccine is available.
The flu picking up as we speak.
92 cases just last week of flu A, and that's up from 57 cases the week before. So a 65% increase just week to week.
And while COVID numbers are low right now, Bowling said they're expected to spike again soon.
At the end of this year or the early next year. And there's data now that shows that people that are vaccinated have lower risk of long COVID, have less severe symptoms.
And also that it's not just about you. Courtney Friedman, KSAT 12 News.
And as you guys get your kids ready to go out, make sure you pack their sweaters, and jacket, but also some sanitizer, hand sanitizer, and some wipes, because
this is the season.
Just add it to the checklist, right? And